Right Honorable Boniface Merengwa told me a story some years ago. He said when he was given the tickets in 2014 to contest for House of Reps, so he came to Ndele to campaign. And it was difficult for him to convince the people to support him because they believe they are not part of the LGA and also the states. I believe what we have done here today will make it easy for our candidates that will be representing us in the forthcoming election, that when he comes here to campaign, more especially in Emohua, he will tell them, my party did this, and my party did that. So it will be easy for us to win election here. Talking about this project, I want to correct the commissioner. The both projects were not awarded the same day in October. We came here when we saw the deplorable state of the Abua Road, and we're thinking, how do we help to save the man hours that have been spent on the road? And we met this bridge. This bridge was not initiated by me. It was initiated by not even my past predecessor. It was before him. That was when this bridge was constructed, or would I say initiated. I felt government is a continuum. So when you see some things that will benefit the people, it doesn't matter who started it. What is important is we complete it and put it to the use of our people. So we came here for inspection, and we saw that if we're able to put this bridge, two things will happen here. Connecting the Abua people to this side of the East-West Road becomes easy. The criminal activity taking place at this side, we all know what was happening here, will also be put to an end. So we initiated it. While we were on this project, we now found out that what is the beauty of this project without having an accessible road? It was at that point that we then conceived this road, this 14.5 kilometer that we are seeing today. I want to thank more especially the contractor who understood my feeling about this road. Like I always say, I'm not interested in just doing anything. I'm interested in doing something that add value and change the life of our people. And I can beat my chest this afternoon to say the value of this project cannot be overrated. It is something that has come at the right time when our people from Abua, our people from this other side of Ahoda are having difficulty at the old Abua Road. So with this, I think part of the problem we're having there will be solved. So I want to thank everyone who have supported us in this project, more especially the people of Ndele. They gave their total cooperation to the contractor, who just expressed it here. Without you giving this support, this project would not have been completed, we won't be here. So I ask and request that you own this project. It's very disappointing that after completing this bridge, we are spending additional 2.5 billion naira to repair what went wrong. Because when we finished the bridge 4 months ago, I don't know what was happening. They came and reported that vessels were passing under it, destroying the abutment. It is your duty now, the chairman of Emohua and also the chairman of Abua, to make sure that you protect. Because if anything happens to it, yes, I might have a relationship with somebody here that I need to come here to pass it, but you are the most impacted people. So please, while the security agencies are aware of this complaint, I've mentioned to them, you also set your own committee, security arrangement, to make sure we stop those people that are fond of passing through here and destroying side of the bridge. Please, you made a commitment here. I don't need that. Take that away. You made a commitment here that you're going to own this road. You're going to own this bridge. See the lawyer. Oh, be the new security officers of this bridge to make sure nothing happens to them again. I want to thank everyone that has taken this burden, even in this very unfriendly weather, to stand here to support us. May God bless you. I don't have any other thing to say. It's the blessings of God will be upon you. Let me finally say thank you to our good people for your support. At times I feel, at this point, I don't even need, people are not even supposed to associate with me again. But what I'm saying here, it shows the genuine love you have for me. And I want to appreciate it. And I will continue to appreciate it till the last day of my office. Let me on this note invite our leaders, Your Excellencies, our leaders.
Come back. Take your shot. Is it? One back.